Imagine waking up every day with more clarity, energy, and ease in your body just by adding a few natural supplements to your daily routine. Sounds simple, right? But these targeted additions can make a world of difference in how your body detoxifies, restores, and thrives. Whether you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off, today I'm sharing four of my favorite wellness supplements that help support liver function, reduce inflammation, and naturally reset your system. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava's Avatar, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. I'm Dr. Ava's Avatar, and my mission is to help women reconnect with their vitality through grounded, holistic approaches that support the body, mind, and soul. I'm here working with you while she is working diligently behind the scenes to bring you better health, wealth, and longevity. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a supplement I personally use as a deeper tool for periodic detoxification, especially after travel, heavy meals, or exposure to environmental stressors. Now let's get started. Milk thistle, your liver's best friend. Let's begin with a true detoxification powerhouse, milk thistle. This beautiful flowering plant is best known for its liver-supportive qualities thanks to a compound called silymarin. Your liver is your body's main filtration system. It processes everything, from the food you eat to the emotions you suppress. Over time, that filter can get clogged, leaving you feeling foggy, fatigued, and inflamed. Adding milk thistle to your routine can help your liver regenerate and filter out toxins more efficiently. It's especially helpful if you're exposed to environmental toxins, take medications, or occasionally enjoy alcohol or processed foods. I often recommend it during seasonal cleanses or periods of high stress when your liver needs extra love. Magnesium, more than a relaxation mineral. Next up is magnesium. While it's often associated with muscle relaxation and sleep, magnesium does so much more. This mineral supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It improves digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, and even eases tension headaches. But here's the detox angle. Magnesium supports your body's phase 2 liver detoxification pathway. That's the part that packages toxins up and sends them out of the body through sweat, urine, or bowel movements. Most people are magnesium deficient, especially women, and don't even know it. A quality magnesium glycinate or citrate can make a noticeable difference in energy, stress levels, and digestive regularity. Turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory agent. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden root that's been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Why does this matter for detox? Because inflammation slows everything down. It's like traffic congestion in your internal systems. Reducing inflammation through turmeric helps your body function more efficiently, allowing your organs to repair and your detox pathways to stay open and effective. It also supports cognitive health and joint function, which are crucial if you're trying to age vibrantly and pain-free. For best absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper or a high bioavailability supplement blend. Bonus tip, activated charcoal, the gentle binder. Now here's one I use with intention and care. Activated charcoal. This natural binder works like a magnet for toxins. It attracts and holds onto unwanted substances in the gut so they can be carried out of the body. Activated charcoal is not for everyday use, but it's incredibly helpful in certain situations, like after eating food that didn't sit well, exposure to mold, or feeling sluggish from an indulgent weekend. Pro tip, always take it away from medications or supplements, as it can also bind to the good stuff. And hydrate well. Let's recap. Milk thistle supports your liver's daily detox process. Magnesium regulates digestion, stress, and internal detoxification. Turmeric reduces inflammation and supports cognitive clarity. Activated charcoal binds toxins and helps with occasional heavy detox needs. These aren't miracle pills, they're tools. And when paired with whole foods, movement, hydration, and rest, they help your body thrive from the inside out. If you've been feeling heavy, foggy, or disconnected from your vitality, start small. Pick one of these supplements to explore and listen to how your body responds. Healing doesn't always require a drastic reset. Sometimes it's just a gentle shift. If this video brought you clarity, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to feel more like herself again. And if you're ready for personalized support on your detox and vitality journey, book a session with me, link in description.